I mixed milk and rice. Look how delicious it tastes. Soak the rice in milk for 3 hours. Then add both of them into a blender. I have here 1 cup of rice and 240 ml of milk. Also, add 200 ml of oil, 3 eggs, 200 ml of condensed milk, 100 grams of grated coconut, and finally, 160 grams of sugar. Blend well until smooth. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following and sharing our recipes. We'll be super happy. You guys, this recipe is so delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure your family's gonna love it. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and blend again for 30 seconds. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love rice. After mixing the baking powder, transfer the mixture from the blender into a tin greased with butter. Then put it into an oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Try this trick. Poke the cake with a knife. If it comes out clean, it's ready. And our recipe is done. Look how delicious it is. This cake is super soft inside, perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. I really hope you liked the recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.